So guys, here I am showing you my Lancome product that I bought last time. They all new. I haven't used them yet. So here is the primer. That's the primer. That's the new primer that I'm trying. So we'll see. And that's the foundation. That is the foundation in the packaging. So I'm just showing you before I get them out of the packaging. So yeah, and this is the pressed powder. I just got those three items just to see how Lancome um, makeup works, because this is my first time using it, so I want you guys to see it with me. I apologize for my face. I just woke up and my face is all swollen. And with the big eye bags, my nose is bigger than usual. I don't know what's going on here, but I wash my face and put on lotion, uh, my moisturized lotion on. So here's what I'm gonna use: the Real Techniques makeup blender, a beauty blender. So I already have one, but I just want to use a new one with this makeup line so I don't mess up anything. So yes. So hi guys, how y'all doing today? I'm coming today to show you how not how, but um yeah, basically I want to try my Lancome collection that I got in makeup. So I got the um, primer, which is in this box. So that's a primer. It's supposed to be, it says prep and matte. So I have a combination face, oily to dry or dry to oily. So yeah, they say this is good for me. So here you go. I'm gonna be looking in my mirror here. Let's see how that's gonna come out. These are the areas that I usually have the grease coming out, the oil, cause yeah. You see any difference? I think I see difference. Yeah, I always do this. Okay, so let's move on to the foundation, which is this. I just like the packaging. It's like a mirror already. So foundation, this is how it came out. So don't mind me, I always shake my foundations. I don't know why, but I always shake them. Okay, so put some of my beauty blender. looks darker. So there it is. I went and wet my beauty blender. I always wet it. I don't know if it's good for this kind of makeup. Actually, this is my first time using Lancome makeup line, so we'll see. I mean, I put my foundations all over, like in my creases and everywhere you can think of. So because that is your base skin, you know. So it's supposed to cover all your skin first, and then you can add whatever you want to add. So in this video, in this case, I'm using only the primer, the foundation, and the powder, the setting powder, because I want to see the true effect of coverage coverage effect that Lancome is gonna give me. So next, in my next one, if you want me to, I will. I mean, I'm not trying to do a makeup video here because I'm not a makeup guru or anything like that. So what I do, go to my ears, because you want to cover everything up. So, because I'm not using any setting powders and anything like that, I'm just using the pressed powder over this. And I don't want to do too much. I'm just trying to cover the little spots on my face. I mean, so what do you think, guys? I think I like what I see so far. Okay. By the way, this is the number 500 in foundation and 470 in powder. So we'll see how it turns out. So this is the foundation itself. So this is basically gonna look like no makeup, as you say, no makeup. So this is the powder out of the package. It's smells so good. Ooh, smell good. Let's try the powder. Okay, I didn't bring my brush here, my powder brush here, but I'm gonna use this one. Usually I have this collection from, I guess, from Fashion Nova, but the one that I'm gonna use it. Remember? Oh God, you're just coming off so easy. So let me do one side so y'all can see what I'm working with. So there you have it. What do you think, guys? So, yeah, so that's basically it. I'm not trying to use a lot, so let me know what you guys think. So right now I'm getting ready to go to the mall. So when I get back, I'm going to show you how it looks after hours. You know, after hours of running errands. So I'll be back and show you guys. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you know anything more about Lancome, any tips and tricks, just put it down comment below, and I'll get back to you guys. So guys, this is me. This is how my face looks like after I put this makeup on. Let's see, 7 o'clock in the morning. No, let's just, no, not 7, but at 8:30 in the morning. And 8:30 in the morning. Right now it is 3:48 p.m. Well, I got home 3:30, so 8:30 to 3:30. That would be 7 hours, I think. 8:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. So that's 7 hours if I got it right. So 7 hours of makeup, and this is what I got at the end of the 7 hours. So guys, close up look. So my problem areas is here and here, and then a little bit here. So that's where I have my oiliness here. Right. So yep, did they help? I will say yes, because it's hot as heck out there. So yeah, it's not that bad with the heat. So I would give it thumbs up for Lancome foundation, press powder, and first of all the primer. So I would say I will use another primer and see also and see how it's gonna turn out. So guys, thank you.